Hello there. In this topic, we're going to see how to export delivery units. In general, how to export models. In the last topic, we saw how to create delivery units. So we will use delivery units to export objects. We will also see some other options. Exporting can be done from the SAP HANA Modeler Quick View. So if you come to export, you will open up this dialog box and there are set of options inside the SAP HANA content. The first option is the change and transport system. So this is a CTS method. You need to have configured the source system and the target system. And once you do that, you will be able to use CTS system. Next option is the delivery unit. Let's go ahead and discover more of these options. When you say next, you need to choose your system, then say next. Now what happens is it gives you a choice to select which delivery unit you want to export. So let's say we want to export training COPA. So you can cross check that you have the package, necessary package. And when you come down, you have an option to filter the changes by time, right? So you can say filter by time to last week, last month, and a time range. So you can say that, hey, give me only the changes on this specific days. We're not going to do that. And then finally, you can point this to a server location or you can point this to a client. Client is your local network. Now let's say what happens if you push it to the server. We say next. And this will be the path in the server. So we're talking about the Linux box. So /user/SAP and then HDB instance number and then the backup folder. This is the name of the file which you will find. I'm going to say finish. So it has pushed to the server right now. We don't have access to the Linux box, or else we can actually go navigate this path and cross check that this file has been created. All right, wonderful. Now let's discover the other options. The next option is the client. So I'm going to quickly navigate all the way. And if you see here, it's called the client. Now you can point to a location in your network, wherever in your network, and you can put it wherever you like. So let's say I want to put it in the new folder and say OK. So this is the name of the file which will be created. So you can transport it however you like. You can push it to the server, take it from there. You can push it to your local network. You can pull it from there, or you can push it through the CTS system. Let's go and check in the desktop whether it has created. So this is what the new folder is. And if you double click, you see that we have a package here. Wonderful. So now we know some exporting options. Let's see two more. One is the developer mode and next is the SAP support mode. In the developer mode, what you can do is you can transfer single objects for developer comparison and in general development. You don't need to deliver as a package. So if you see delivery unit or CTS, in both of these you are delivering delivery units. So naturally you're delivering a package, a minimum of one package. You're not delivering single objects. In the SAP developer mode, you will be able to do single objects. Let's see how to do that. So you say developer mode, you say next, and now you see that you are able to choose a single object. For example, I only want the script. Then I can choose a single object. I can point it to a location called new folder and I can say OK and I can say finish. So what happens is now only a single object is transferred. This is only for development, this is not for any production use. The last option of exporting is the SAP support mode. So if you have bought any SAP support, then you can directly send it to SAP support by choosing that option. So naturally you can also send a specific object. Let's say a script is not working this time. So you have two options, one export to server and export to client. The export to server is already configured, the path. So when you hit finish, it will actually go to SAP support. You can always push it to a client as well, and then you can send it to SAP support, or they can pick it up from there. Those are all the exporting options.